So our next question says, what is 6% as a fraction in simplest form? So first, let's address what a fraction or what a percentage is. In So let's first address what a percentage is. And as it's stated here, percentage is defined as a part of a whole, which is expressed as a fraction of 100. So what we mean is that, so let's, for example, we have a circle here and it is divided into, say, 6 parts. Okay, not equal, but 6 parts. And so in this case, so what we're gonna have is that let's say that, okay, out of the 6 parts we colored in 1 part, right? And to express this in a as a fraction, we would write this as, so our whole, right? Our the many pieces we have, 6. And so since 1 is colored, this is how you would write it in a fraction, 1/6. Okay. However, the percentage of this, you would just divide this 1/6, which is basically 0.1667. Okay. And so what we want to do is basically, so keeping this in mind, we can basically find the percentage of the fraction of 6%. And so when we're dealing with percent, if it gives you a percent, we assume that this is part of a whole. So this is part of basically a one full thing. Basically, in this case, we are saying that 6% is out of 100, so 100 resembles one whole piece, you can say. And so what we write as 6%, so another way to write 6% would be 6% is equivalent as saying 6/100. Since percentage is always, when you're talking about percentage, you're always talking about out of 100 in a fraction. And so now what it says is to simplify this fraction. So we already got our fraction of 6%. And to simplify this, we need to find a number that is both divisible by 6 and 100. And in this case, since both are even numbers, we can try 2. So we can divide the numerator by 2 and the denominator by 2. Okay, and so you get 3/50. And so you get 3/50, and we want to see if we can simplify this even more. And so 50 is not divisible by 3, so this is basically your simplest form. And so therefore the percentage 6% when written as a fraction is equivalent to 3/50. So if you evaluate 6 divided by 10, whatever decimal you get, you will get the same for 3/50. Okay, so you can say that therefore you can say that 6% is equivalent to 3/50. Is equivalent to 3. So that is